diameter of a copper wire. The reading with the wire in position is shown in diagram 1. The wire is removed and the jaws of micrometer are closed. The new reading is shown in diagram 2. What is the diameter of wire 2? Wire.
Okay, so they are asking you about the diameter of wire, and wire is placed here in the diagram 1. But why they gave you diagram 2? What you understand from diagram 2? In diagram 2, we are not having the wire, right? We don't have the wire, but even after that, we have some reading over there, right?
Yes, sir.
So for this reason, we can say this micrometer is faulty and it has some zero error, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So when a micrometer has zero error, some readings here in the beginning without the wire, if you are giving the wire, then the reading you are getting, it must have that error as well, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So after measuring this one with the wire, then to get the actual reading of the wire, actual diameter of the wire, what you have to do? Subtract the value, right? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
subtract this value from this reading. Diagram 1, the reading you are getting, that reading you should subtract. This reading you should subtract from there. Is it
Is
clear?
it 10.5? 15 minus 10.5.
So how can we do it now? Your reading you have to identify. In diagram 2, what is the reading? Diagram 1, what is the reading?
In diagram 2, the reading is 15 maybe, and in diagram 1, it is 9 point. Is it 9.5, sir?
You can take it as uh, you see from here 5 to 10, right? 5 to 10. So we have here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right?
Yes, sir.
9. And here in the middle we have how much? 15, right?
Yes, sir.
15. Okay, so we write here. This is called circular scale reading. The zero error we are getting in circular scale. That's why we say it CSR. CSR. How much it is? 15
15.
times you have to multiply with the least count of micrometer. Least count means like ruler. With ruler you can measure till 1 millimeter, right?
Yes, sir.
And with the vernier calipers, you can measure till 0.01, right? Hello.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, with ruler it is 1 millimeter. With vernier calipers, it is 0.1 millimeter. And with micrometer, we can measure accurately till 0.01 millimeter. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So if you can measure till 0.01 millimeter, you you should multiply this value 15 with 0.01.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if
Yes,
you are
sir.
getting here 15 multiplied by 0.01, then what is the answer coming?
Uh, it is 0.15.
0.15 millimeter. Okay, this one is in millimeter. So this one you got zero error here. Now here what is the diameter? Okay, from here we can
It
get it.
is,
Here we have look, other than this CSR circular scale reading, we have also main scale reading. The horizontal line in the middle, above it we have lines. Those are in millimeters, 1 millimeter, 2 millimeters, this way. And
yes, sir.
the lines in the lower side, we are getting zero point 0.5. So in the upper line, we have 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So we have here 2 millimeter, and the lower line we have 1. So there we have, after 2, we have 1 lower line. So we have there 0.5, right?
Yes, sir.
So 2.5 millimeter here, that is MSR. We write here MSR. Please write here MSR 2.5 millimeters. Then again we have here CSR. CSR equals how much? How much here? CSR 9, right?
Yes, sir.
9 multiplied by like before 0.01.
Yes, sir.
Millimeter. Then it's coming 9.01. What is the value here?
0.09.
Yes, 0.09 millimeter. Then you have your total. What is the value of total? Total is equal
0.24.
MSR plus CSR, right?
Oh,
Then
yes,
what is coming? 2.59.
yes, sir.
And this is in millimeter, right? 2.959 millimeter. Now what we have to
Yes,
do,
sir.
the diameter of the wire, how can you find? You will find it by subtracting,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? Then what is coming? 2.59 minus 0.15. What is the reading coming? Check.
159 0.15. It is 2.44.
2.4.
4.
So which one is closer to this value?
B.
Bangladesh. So our answer is Bangladesh. Okay, so are you using mobile,
No, sir.
laptop?
Yes, sir.
So is it possible to take the snap?
I don't know how to take screenshot in my laptop. Um,
Snipping tool. By using snipping tool, you can do it. Are you seeing I'm taking a screenshot?
so it's
This
again,
way,
sir.
this way you can take. This is snipping tool.
So can you show me again? My PC is crashed. I mean, it's
Wait, wait.
lagging, sir.
Let me check with the. 29. Okay. Now, if you are done, then we can go to the next question, right? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yes. Are you done with writing?
Yes, sir.
Then we are going to next one. Hmm. Name you homework question number 7. Okay. This one we'll do now. Structured question 7. Can you read the question?
Yes, sir. The time t for satellite to orbit the Earth is given by t is equal to root over kr cubed by m, where r is the distance of the satellite from the center of the Earth, m is the mass of the Earth, and k is a constant.
Okay, K is constant. Now next, continue.
Yes, sir. Uh, Data for particular satellite are given in figure 7.1. T is 8.64 times 10 to the power 4 second. Uncertainty is plus minus
Yeah,
5%.
this data is given.
R
Actually, what is our concern? Calculate K and its actual uncertainty, right? So how
Yes,
will
sir.
calculate K from this
We have to
equation?
make K the subject.
Okay, so in your question, you see K is here, right?
Yes, sir.
So how can you make K as a subject?
Um, Let me try.
Yeah, you got it. K equals.
Now just yes.
So you got it.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the formula you wrote?
K is equal to T square M by R cube.
Yes, so K equals,
T square M by R cube.
yeah, T square M by R cube, right? Now you put the values.
Yes, sir. So can I see the values, sir? Sir? Hello, sir.
Yes. Have you written?
Can I see the values, sir?
Yeah. You say me the equation first.
Equation मात्र बोलूँ तो sir. K is equal to T square M by R cube.
T square M, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. By R cube. Yes, it is correct. Then you continue. Continue by putting values. Mm-hmm. You got the value? Please check it. So you got it?
Yes, sir. I'm just calculating it, sir. Yes, sir. I got it, sir.
Yeah, what you got?
1.06 times 10 to the power 27. So, sir, কত decimal place দিব স্যার?
Mm-hmm.
কত decimal place দিব স্যার?
Decimal place, you take one decimal place. That is better.
Yeah, sir. তাহলে স্যার it's 1.06 times 10 to the power 27.
Again, say.
1.06 times 10 to the power 27.
Mm-hmm. No, it's not like that.
So it's 1.59 times 10 to the power 27.
No, it's not. So one thing you check that we have uh, t square, right? T
Yes,
square
sir.
you have, so you should give the bracket, and over the bracket you
Yes, sir.
have
This
eight.
year.
Yeah, that one should be square, right? 8.64 into
Yes,
10 to
sir.
the 4 square. Maybe you did mistake over there. You should give in bracket 8.64 into 10 to the 4. Then there is square on
Yes, sir.
both.
This is bracket there.
For cube also you give bracket.
For what?
Like r cube. Hmm? For r cube also you give bracket.
Sir, yes, sir. Argue it there.
So if you are giving bracket, then it should be not the one you said.
Argue it there, sir.
Yeah, give that one. And you
Uh,
should give whole cube, like 4.3 into 10 to the power 7,
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
bracket close, then you give cube. Then check what is your answer coming.
it is 5.92 times 10 to the power 11.
5.9 into 10 to the power 11, right?
Yes, sir.
Now it is correct. So this one is done, K. Now what you have to find? Del K, right?
Answer to, oh yeah. Well,
Okay, so now you find del K. I will find del K like before. I'm showing you. We are using here rule 2. Del K by K equals the rule. What is the rule? From the formula it will come, right? K equals mt square by r cube. From that formula it will come. So we have del m by m, right?
Yes, sir.
Del m by m. You write the way I'm writing, then you'll understand. Del m by m plus, after del m by m, what you got? T square.
Yes, sir.
T square you got. So it will be del t by t.
Then T, sir. Del R by R.
Yeah. Now you have in your formula there is 2, right? 2 multiplied. Then plus 3 del r by r. Del r by r. So this part is done. Now you put the values this way. 0.5 is equal to, okay, then you check del m by m. Here we got 0.0.
So 0.05 is del M. 0.
0.005. This is del m by m. Directly you can put the values 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then for others, you have 2 multiplied del t by t. 2 multiplied 8 point, yeah, we have here del t by t, 3 del r by r. Del t by t, what is given? Oh, del m by
Uh,
m. Oh, sorry, we have here 0.02, right?
yeah, sir. I was just thinking about that, sir.
Yeah, very good. So here we write the values here, then it will be easier for us to understand. Equals 0.01. Then we have 0.02. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to write here 0.02 plus del t by t. We have,
0.005.
yes, 0.005. Then t times del r by r, del r by r, it will be 0.01, right?
Yes, sir.
And look, all are done, right? Then what is
Yes,
the
sir.
answer coming?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? What is the value
Yes,
here
yes, sir.
if you add them?
0.06.
0.06.
6.
Okay, then you write here 0.06. Then it will be multiplied. Yeah, what you should multiply with it?
The value of k.
Yes, very good. So here we write del k here. Okay, that is k multiplied by k. Okay, the one previously you got, right? 5.9.
Yes.
Into the power 11, right?
The answer is 3.54 times 10 to the power 10.
So this one should be also 10 to the power 11, right? Ten to the power. The cursor is not working properly. 10 to the power 11. Okay. Then we have finally 0.355, right? Hello?
Uh, we have 3.54 times 10 to the power 10.
Okay, then you have here for k the value 5.9 into 10 to the power 10 or 11.
11, sir.
11. So your this value and the other value power should be matching. That's why you have to make it in that power. You got here 3.55. Other than this you write 0.355. Is it clear?
0.354.
Okay, 0.354 into 10 to the power 11.
Yes, sir.
So what is coming here? K plus del k, right? So what is the value of your del k?
Uh, 0.354 times 10 to the power 11.
Hmm. Yeah, I'm typing here. Del k is 0.034.
354.
G354, right? 354 into 10 to the power 11.
Yes, sir. Sir, the final answer would be 0.354 times 10 to the power 11 plus minus 0.06.
Yes, yes. This one you should, or we should maintain one thing like the decimal points, that should be matching for both. Like you got here 0.354, right? So after decimal you have three digits, and the previous one you have 5.9, right?
Yes, sir.
So there are two after decimal 1 point. So now we have to do this 5 point. Here we write, you give in bracket. Here also we give bracket. Okay, so here you write 5.92. If you are doing after decimal, after decimal you have 2, and then we have 5.92, then 0.36. 0.36. Then after writing this, you give in bracket,
Yes, sir.
You write here 10 to the power 11. Nicely. That is your answer. Okay, this way you have to write. You give bracket, you keep the values, and outside give the power of 10.
আমি শেষেরই পার্টটা বুঝলাম না স্যার 5.92 আর 0.36 কেমনে কি স্যার
Okay, look here, you got there 0.355, right? 354.
Yes, sir.
You got 354, so you write here 3. I got here actually for my calculation, I got 0.355. That's why I wrote 36. So for you, you write here like 0.34. 5.9, you got there 5.918, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yes, you got after this you got here 5.918, isn't it?
Sir, I don't remember the whole thing you told me.
Yeah,
Could you
the
repeat
whole
as
thing
well?
was like that. 5.918. So you can write is 5.92. Why we are matching it? Because after decimal, the points we are writing here, it should match with this one. Okay, both the sides.
Yes, sir.
That's why we are writing this way.
তো স্যার
Is it?
তাহলে ফাইনাল অ্যান্সারটা কি হবে 5.92 প্লাস মাইনাস
Hmm. 0.3
ইয়া
for you, it is 0.35, right?
yes, sir.
0.35. Then multiply 10 to the power 11. Clear?
Yes, sir.
এই পাওয়ারটা লেখাই কষ্ট। Okay, okay, done. SI units. So this one is done. Now we are having the snap again. For the whole one, we are giving the snap. Yes. SQ. SQ7. Okay, done. So our question 7 is also done. Now, take how many questions you are done. We actually did all. You were absent. We did actually all except 4 and 5. Okay. No, no. Except 5 and 6. We did all. 4 also we did. 4 we did. 1, 2, 3. All we did. So here we left 5 and 6. So your structured questions 5 and 6 is your homework. Okay.
Sir,
Sufyan.
can you tell me again, sir? আপনার কথা ঠিক মতন বুঝতে পারি নাই।
Okay. I'm telling again. We are done with all the structured questions except 5 and 6.
Sir.
So 5 and 6 is your homework. Is it clear?
Sir.
Structured question. Sufyan, you got it
হ্যাঁ
now?
স্যার। Yes,
Okay.
sir. লিখে রাখছি।
Okay. SQ structured question. Now we will do some MCQ questions again. Okay, here we go. Question number 1. Question number 1 we'll do now. Can you read the question, please?
Yes, sir. A double slit interference experiment is used to determine the wavelength of light from a mm, monochromatic source. The following measurements are used. Slit separation A is equal to 0.50 plus minus 0.02 millimeter. Mm, Range separation X is equal to 0.7 plus minus 0.1 millimeter. Distance between slits and screens D are uh, 2.000 plus minus 0.002 millimeter. The percentage uncertainty in the what is the percentage uncertainty in the calculated wavelength?
So the formula related for wavelength is AX by D.
Yes, sir.
So write this formula, lambda equals AX by D. This is your formula to find the wavelength. Now They are asking you about the percentage uncertainty. To get percentage uncertainty, you should get fractional uncertainty first. Fractional uncertainty in lambda. They are saying in the calculated wavelength, so in lambda. So how to get fractional uncertainty? Like before, we will write the formula del lambda by, yeah, right here, del lambda by,
Yes, sir. Del
yeah, del
lambda by.
lambda by lambda, you're right.
Then
I'm sending you the step. Just give me a minute. I'm showing you because the cursor is making problem. It's taking time. That will be easier for you to understand. Okay, it's taking time also there. So you write del lambda by lambda, then in bracket you write, we have here a, then del a by a, then plus del x by x, then del d by d.
yes. How am I supposed to write that, sir?
Hmm?
How am I supposed to write that, sir? Del
Yeah,
A by A,
yes,
then del.
plus del
Yes,
x
sir.
by, first you write del lambda by lambda.
Yes, sir. I
Del
wrote that.
lambda by
Then
lambda
in bracket.
equals del a by a plus del x by x plus del d by d.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, check in the group I sent now.
Yes, sir.
Are you seeing in the group? Sufyan, have you seen in the messenger group? Sufyan,
Yes, sir.
hmm? Have you seen
Yes,
in the,
sir.
have you seen in the messenger group?
Yes, sir.
So you see we have the formula over there. Now by putting the values, what is your del A? 0.02, right? Then
Yes, sir.
divided by 0.5 plus 0.1 by 1.7 plus 0.002 divided by 2. bracket close, then you check. It's coming 0.98, 0.0988.
Yes, sir.
So if you make in percentage, it comes 9.88%, right?
Mm.
Which is close to 10%. So our answer is Dhaka.
Yes,
Is it clear?
yes, but let me finish.
Mm-hmm.
Let me
Done?
finish. Let me finish, sir.
Yeah, finish.
Sir, my answer comes in a weird way, sir.
Sorry?
Sir, my answer comes 0.0468 and more.
How?
Uh, by using the
Maybe
formula.
maybe there is uh, you see, check any digits you did wrongly or not. Ah, check again. 0.02 divided by 0.5 plus
আচ্ছা না
0.
ঠিক আছে sir.
Yeah.
আমি আরেকবার ইকুয়াল প্রেস করছি এখন ঠিক আছে
Hmm. So what you got now?
0.0998.
Hmm. Then if you make in percent, you multiply with 100, then it's coming 9.98, right?
Yes sir.
That is close to 10%.
Yes sir.
So we are done with question 1 as well. We then go to next one. We are done with all these questions. Only question 6 is left here. Uh, till here, 6 is left. So we will try to understand now 6.
Yes sir.
Yeah, please read it. Question number
The board
6.
meter gives reading that are larger than the true values and has systematic error that varies with voltage, which graph shows the calibration curve for the voltmeter.
Hmm. Yeah, so They are giving you some important information. The first one is a voltmeter gives readings that are larger than the true values. So where you are getting that one? A voltmeter gives readings that are larger than the true values.
Yes, sir. C, sir.
Here you are getting the volt. Okay, you are saying C, but later we got here.
What's sir? Readings larger than true values.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's
Meter
A.
reading is larger than true values,
So sir, it's A.
so it's A.
Yes, sir.
Reading larger than true values. Also, we get in B. Meter reading larger than true values. Also, we get in B, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
So, how can you say uh, definitely it is A?
Because there
There
is a
is,
larger gap, sir.
yeah, there is something to discuss more, right?
Yes, sir.
So, we have some more information here. That is, has a systematic error that varies with voltage. We have this information also over there.
Yes, sir.
Check. I sent one picture to you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. Just let me check, sir.
yeah. You see what is written there. Look, here we have here systematic error. Hmm. And this systematic error is constant for each of the values we are having here. The difference 0 almost same, right? 0.1 here, also 0.1 here, also 0.1, right? The gap, isn't it?
Yes, sir. I'm
Hello.
seeing it. Uh,
Yeah, look here.
Hello.
Yes, if you think of meter reading here, so one we are having almost 0.9, right?
Yes, sir.
So we are having 0.1 meter less in true value.
Yes, sir.
Again for 2 we are having here 0.1 less. So every time we are getting constant systematic error. But they are saying systematic error that varies with voltage. In A we see that our systematic error is changing. Look, everywhere the systematic error is changing, varying. You got it? So these
Yes, sir.
points actually you have to write. If you have the worksheet, you should write them in your worksheet. Hello,
Yes, sir.
Sufyan, have you got your worksheet printed?
No, sir.
At least when you get it printed, that time you this image is in your group. So from there you write all this information over there, okay? Because this information are important to understand it, to recall them later. Otherwise, later on also when you'll get this question, you might not be able to understand. If you have
Yes,
this
sir.
explanation in front of you, then you can understand it properly, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next, after 6, these are also done. We did this before. Question number 9. Can you read question number 9?
Yes, sir. Value for the acceleration of free fall on Earth is given as uh, 10 plus minus 2 meter per second. Which statement is correct?
So, which one you should hear correct?
Uh, it should be B, right, sir?
It should
It's
be.
just a guess, sir. I don't
Yeah, you are saying the value is both precise and accurate.
know. Yes, sir.
So, how can this one is precise? You have a bigger range, right? With 20% uncertainty.
Sir.
So, do you think if you have 20% uncertainty, it will be precise?
No, sir.
No.
So the answer is A.
Yes, the answer is A. The value is accurate. Why it is accurate? Because uh, if you are taking plus 2, that is 12. If you are taking minus 2, it's 8. So the true value, the original value is within the range, isn't it? 8 to 10, it will be available. That's why the value is accurate, but
Yes,
not
sir.
precise because the range is very big. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So you can write this that why it is not precise. At least
Yes,
it's
sir.
not
I wrote
precise.
that, sir.
Yeah, it's not
Because
precise
of
because
20%.
the error or the uncertainty is too large. That is 20%.
Yes, sir.
Now 10. Question 10, you see the values are given for rho gh. You have to find uncertainty in pressure, and that's should be to an appropriate number of significant figures. So how will do that? First you find p. First you find p.
Uh, the answer is too large.
Yeah, how much it is?
101,662.992.
Yeah, so you can write it 1.017 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal pressure, right?
So,
1 point,
yes, sir. Done.
yeah. So you got here P, right?
Yes, sir.
1.017 into 10 to the power 5. Then you have to find
The
del
uncertainty of
P.
P.
Del P. So
Oh,
to
yeah.
get del P, you should write del P by P, this formula, right?
Del P by P is equal to del rho by rho
Mm-hmm.
plus del G by G plus del H by H.
Yes. Then what you got? Del P by P.
Yes, sir. I'm just computing it. I'm finding the values, sir. Sir,
Yes.
del del P is 0. Del P by P is 0.016.
Okay, if you multiply it with uh, that value of you now have to find del P only, right?
Yes, sir.
So del P, to find it, you have to find that value you said me with P, right? P you got 1.017 multiplied 10 to the 5, that value.
Yes, sir. Del P is uh, 1624.
Very good. So 164 you can write 0.0162 multiplied 10 to the power 5, right?
Uh, yes, sir.
Because your both the values P and del P should be with the same power, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Done.
So you got here del P equals 0.0162, right? Into 10 to the power 5, and P you got 1.017 10 to the power 5, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Now
sir.
you check the answer, which one is matching. They are saying you have to get the answer in appropriate number of significant figures. So which one is matching?
Yes, sir. Let me check it.
Look, here we got appropriate
Yes,
number
sir.
of significant figures.
It is
Appropriate,
B, sir.
it's looking like B, but they are saying two significant figures. If you are choosing Bangladesh, then the first, the measured value, you are getting four significant figures, right?
Yes, sir.
But we have to do with appropriate number of significant figures, that is either two or three. So uh, if you are thinking appropriate number of significant figures, that is only available in D, Dhaka, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we will pick Dhaka. Also the decimal points are matching both the places. So that's all for today, huh?
Yes,
So
sir.
your homework is question 5 and 6 structured.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you for joining today. Allah Hafiz, huh?
Yes, sir. Thanks, sir. Allah Hafiz, sir.